Are you aware that consuming the right foods can naturally enhance nitric oxide levels in your body? Nitric oxide is crucial for various bodily functions, including digestion, mental well-being, and immunity. By choosing the right diet, you can significantly impact your overall health, mood, and ability to fend off illness. A lack of nitric oxide can lead to some illnesses like cardiovascular diseases, respiratory conditions, and hypertension. If you're interested in learning about the best foods to boost your nitric oxide levels, here are the top 10 recommendations. Berries, high in antioxidants and vitamin C, like raspberries, have been shown to improve blood flow and increase nitric oxide levels, benefiting your heart health. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber. They contain monounsaturated fats known to raise nitric oxide levels. Add them to salads or any vegetable dish for a boost. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are high in nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Try incorporating 1 or 2 servings daily. Citrus fruits such as oranges, limes, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient that enhances your immune system and increases nitric oxide levels. Nuts and seeds, such as pumpkin seeds, pine nuts, and almonds, are rich in arginine, which boosts nitric oxide levels. Enjoy these as snacks or incorporate them into your meals for added benefits. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavonoids, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and slow cell aging. It boosts nitric oxide levels, improving blood flow and overall health. Pomegranate juice is known for its high antioxidant content. It can lower blood pressure and protect against certain cancers. Drinking a glass daily may positively affect nitric oxide levels. Carrots are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also packed with nitrates that help produce nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and enhances well-being. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which acts as a powerful vasodilator. It enhances blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your cells while removing waste products. Yogurt and kefir are fermented dairy products full of probiotics that improve intestinal health. They boost nitric oxide levels and circulation. Add them to your diet as snacks or breakfast items. By including these foods in your diet, you can naturally enhance your nitric oxide levels, leading to better health and improved bodily functions. Thank you for watching our video on the top 10 foods to boost nitric oxide levels. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can naturally enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember, maintaining adequate nitric oxide levels is crucial for supporting cardiovascular health, improving circulation, and boosting your immune system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.